Hello guys, welcome back. Now that we've talked a little bit about block level elements, we want to go ahead and talk about text level elements. And these text level elements can affect something as small as a word or a character. So first of all, we're going to open up our website. We're going to open up our HTML document. We're going to open up our website in Internet Explorer. Now we have both things side by side and we can start working. So the two big parts of these text level elements are font style and phrase, or font style elements and phrase style elements. Now we're going to start off with font style elements. So we're going to go and type that out as a title for our example. Elements. And font style elements was the first method that was created in order to make bold and italic text. So the way we do it is B for bold. So I'm going to go ahead and type example code out here. I'm bold, and our italics with an I. I'm italic. Oops. I. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Now we're going to render in our browser, and here we go. Font style elements. I'm bold. I'm italic. Now the second section is or are phrase style elements. So we're going to go and type it out. Phrase style elements. And these phrase style elements are basically the same thing as font style elements. However, they have one major difference. They're written a little bit differently. The bold is written strong. I'm strong. And the italics is written as EM. I'm italic, kind of. So here we go, EM. Oops, sorry. EM. So the difference between phrase elements and font style elements is that phrase elements can be interpreted by text to speech. So let's say your client or the user of your website can't see your words, or maybe the words are too small, they can't see it and they want to hear it, or they want a book read to them, for example. Well, this strong and the EM, the phrase style elements, will work in text to speech. So let's say they're reading, it's going to be like, hello there, something, 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 I'm strong. You know, it's gonna have that deeper voice in the strong, and same thing with italics, that strange voice, so the user can distinguish what's going on. On the other hand, font style elements, it would read everything the same way. So that's the advantage of phrase elements over font style elements. Even though when you render them in the browser, they kind of look the same. If you look at it, it's pretty close, but the difference is that the phrase style elements are the more modern way to do it, and they also work in text to speech. So we're gonna go ahead and type that major thing out, text to speech, and we're gonna save that and load it one more time. Now, additional to these, we have two more that we use a lot, and the first one that we use a lot is a break. And the break is it's a tag used to basically have a new line. So you see that right here we have all our text jumbled up into one little space, and we kind of, there's no formatting whatsoever, we can't see what's going on. So we're gonna go ahead and add break tags so we can see what's going on. And the break tag is written BR, the little forward slash, and closing tag. And we're gonna go ahead and add a couple more breaks throughout the document so it's nicely formatted. Now these break elements are very useful, due to the fact that without them we would have to use pre-tags, and pre-tags are a lot longer to type out, and they're kind of a pain because they take out your formatting of your text. So you would have to format, or you really couldn't format your text, so your text would look as it is, and that's not what we want at all. So it's preferable to use breaks, and they really are helpful when you want to just add a little space here and there. So we're gonna go ahead and save that and render. So here we have font style elements, I'm bold, I'm italic, and we have the other version, or the newer version, phrase style elements, I'm strong, I'm italic, kind of. So the last one that we have is a non-breaking space. Now the non-breaking space isn't a tag, but I'm gonna let you know how to use it because it's very helpful, especially if you want to tab words. Because let's say right here I tab this, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna save it. I'm going to go ahead, and it doesn't work. You see, it just stays the same. So we kind of want to find out how to make that tab. And the way to do it is the ampersand sign, non-breaking space. So it's NB, non-breaking SP space. And then we have the semicolon right there. Now it's going to add a little space right here because that's where I put it in the document. So see, there you go. There's that little space. And that does it for us, guys, for the section of text level elements. Thank you.